Hello students, welcome back to the another session of our artificial intelligence journey. Last video we are already completed the simple reflex agent where the agent take the action on the basis of current situation. It does not have any power to store the previous history or learn something for the better result, but already it follow the condition action rule means certain according to certain condition the actions are already predefined. Only the agent receive the whatever the surrounding percept is received from the environment and make the decision according to that pre-condition action rule. So this now we are moved to the another type of agent which is called as the model based agent. So this is the outline of this video. We are going to cover all the topics. Let's start. A model-based reflex agent performs action based on the current percept and internal state representing the unobservable world. So here what happened? Previous case that the simple reflex, it only perform action on the basis of current situation. But here what happened? On the basis of one more thing here it is added, that is the internal state that represent the unobservable world. Means if the world is not fully observable, then what happened? How the agent can take the its operation perfectly? So here what happened? This type of agent work in a partial observable environment and track the situation. The model based agent has two main factor. One is the model, another is the internal state. Model generally represent how the things happen in the world, and internal state is the representation of unobserved aspect of the current state depend upon the perceived history. So it updates means the agent updates internal state based on two factors. First one is the how the world involves independently of the agent. Means it does not before the affect any situation affected by the agent, without that independently how the world involves uh, independently. Second category, how the agent action affects the world. So without agent, with the agent, how the changes happen in the environment, according to that the internal state is going to be decided. So in this model base, there are some key component. First one is the state tracker. So what is a state tracker? It is used to maintain the information about the current state of the environment based on the world model and sensor history. So based on the whatever the sensor is the machine which receives the environmental situation. So on the basis of sensor history and the world model, that all the information maintained in the state tracker. Second component is the world model. So what is the world model? It is contains two key type of knowledge. First one is the how the environment evolves independently the agent. Second category, how the agent affects the action affects the environment. We can say this is representation of the internal state of the environment. Third component is the reasoning component that uses the world model and the current state to determine appropriate action based on the action condition action rule. Condition action rule, which is the rule which converts the current state to into a action. So this is the three basic component of a model based reflex agent. So this is the diagram. Here what happened? This is the agent, here environment. So from the sensor, it received the all the state of environment. Then here what happened? This model operates in a four stage. First stage, that is the sense means it performs the it receives the current state of world with the sensor. So the sensor receives the current state, that is the sense. First state. Second one is the model. It constructs an internal model of the world from that what it sees. So by help of the sensor, it receives the current state. On that basis, it design a model or construct an internal model from that what it see. Second one is the reason. It used the model of the world to decide how to act based on the set of predefined rules or heuristic. Predefined rules generally we call as the condition action rule. Then it act. Third stage of operation, that is the agent carries out the action that it has to be chosen. So in this case, step one. So this is our model based reflex agent. So here what happened? So first step what happened? By help of the sensor, it received the current state of environment. That is the step one. Then step two, it construct a internal model. So here what happened? What is the state? How the world involves and what my action should be. So all the internal state is decided here. Then what happened? Condition action is rule is present means on the basis of some condition what should be action. So here what happened? Reason. It used this model to all to decide what should be what action I should do now. So the agent is decided what action should be performed. Then last that is the agent. Then what happened? Agent carries out the action through the operator and perform its operation to the environment. So perform some to achieve some goal. So this is all about the operation done by the model-based reflex agent. Then let's take an example of the reflex agent. This is the Amazon Bedrock. So here what happened in this case, there are computer support is available, then training is available, on demand analytics system is available, project management is there, people operation is coding, performance report, strategy and ideas. So here what happened, this Amazon Bedrock service that use the fundamental models to stimulate the operation, gain insights and make informed decision for effective planning and optimization. For that it use this model. So here what happened? By replying the various model, Bedrock gain the insights, predicts outcome, and make the informed decision. It continuously defines, redefines. Means once the model is defined, after the real world data, it's again design. Means each and every time designed to adopt the new and new operation to optimize its operation. Then what happened on the basis of different scenarios, selects the optimized strategy through the simulation and adjustment the model parameter to achieve the better result for the customer. So this is the model based reflex agent example. Let's take the understand what is the advantage of model based reflex agent. First one is the based on the understanding of the world, this model can make the decision faster and efficient way. This is the advantage of this agent. Second one is that is by defining an internal model of the world, accurate decision can be taken because it is not like the simplest reflex agent on the basis of current situation. It does not go to the perform any action on the basis of internal model is designed so that it can able to make the accurate decision. By changing the internal state, it have ability to change the environment. So it has the capability to change the environment also. By using the internal state and rules to determine the condition, inform and good choices can be defined by help of the model-based reflex agent. So these are the advantages. There are also some disadvantage of this type of agent. First one is that building and maintaining model can be computationally expensive because here what happened, we have to design the internal model so that we can able to perform the good decision. For that, it may takes the computational expensive, means calculation part is more. The real world environment complexity may not be captured very well by this model. It is not that much easy to capture the details of the complexity of the real world. It cannot anticipate all the potential situation that may arise. Next one is that is the it needs to change or alter always to up to date. So for up to date means what if environment is changing very faster way. For this model, so to make the internal state is 100% correct, it needs to always make the updation. So this is not that much easy to do it. So these are the advantage of this model based reflex agent. Hope you are able to understand the concept of the model based agent in artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel, like the channel, share the channel. Thank you so much.